Hey guys, what's up? I just thought I would show you this over-the-door organizer that I got from Amazon. I have a really small condo and not a lot of space, and I'm always looking for storage solutions that are going to really help me just make the most of my space. So here, I really like this organizer. It's really heavy duty, so it's metal. A lot of the ones you see out there are cloth, and this one's just really sharp looking. These three have like this shelf and this shelf here each have like three container sections that have this little part that slides in or out. So if you needed the space and you didn't want it condensed to three sections, you could just pull those out. There's also these hooks right down here that you can hang things on. As you can see, I have mine just full of lots of stuff I've got going on. But it's been really awesome. This part metal too, the part that goes over the door. And then there's these little pieces here that you kind of screw on, and that just is going to help hold it in place. And I do think I didn't peel them, but I think you can peel that and like stick it on as well. And then you have those down here too. Anyway, I've just been pretty crazy about it. Super happy with it. This is what it looks on the other side, just so you can see what it looks like with the door closed. So not a lot of distraction from the door or the space, and you just get so much out of it. So I'm really happy with that. And anyway, I hope this is helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.